Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted WhatsApp voice messages or recover WhatsApp voice message recording or restore WhatsApp voice messages. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to WhatsApp. Here you can see WhatsApp, open it. And then open any conversations, and then you can see me and my friends all WhatsApp conversations or all WhatsApp voice messages or WhatsApp voice message recording. And in this time I can delete WhatsApp voice messages or WhatsApp voice message recording. So let's see. And then you can see I can delete me and my friends WhatsApp voice messages, and in this time I can easily recover or restore all WhatsApp voice messages. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it and then search what's delete recover messages. And then scroll down. Here you can see what's delete recover messages. Please open it. What's delete recover messages, please install this app and then open it. And in this here you can see your all WhatsApp voice messages or your all WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp voice message recording or WhatsApp audio recording, and then open it. And then you can see your WhatsApp voice messages recover or restore easily. And then go back and then open it. Here you can see WhatsApp voice messages or WhatsApp messages easily recover or restore. And in this way you can easily recover your all deleted WhatsApp voice messages or WhatsApp audio recording. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.